Let's dive into an incredible success story. The world of online content creation is filled with opportunities for those who are willing to harness the power of creativity, technology, and consistency. One such success story stands out as a testament to what's possible when these elements come together. Imagine launching a brand new YouTube channel, uploading your very first video, and watching it skyrocket to over 2.2 million views in just 2 months. This isn't just a dream scenario, it's real life. There are many examples of how one well-crafted video can completely transform a channel's trajectory and even lead to monetization almost immediately. Today, I'll walk you through a beginner-friendly, step-by-step tutorial on how you can use AI tools to create similar faceless, animated videos with voiceovers. These videos have the potential to generate significant income, with some channels earning up to $5,000 in their first month and, with consistency, close to $10,000 per month shortly after. The best part? You don't need expensive tools or advanced technical skills to get started. Let's break it all down and explore how you can replicate this success. The video that sparked this incredible success began with a captivating narrative. A long time ago, in the village of AI, there was a princess named Aga. She was the first daughter of King Cheetah. Unlike her 3 younger sisters, Aga was unmarried because of her body size. She was not receiving any suitors because she was extremely fat. This animated story, though simple, resonated deeply with viewers, garnering millions of views and thousands of subscribers. The video's success lies in its engaging storytelling, relatable themes, and the use of AI-generated visuals and voiceovers. Even as an adult, I found myself drawn to the story, proving that well-crafted content can appeal to a wide audience. The beauty of this approach is that it doesn't require you to show your face or invest in expensive equipment. All you need is a good story, some AI tools, and a bit of creativity. This makes it an ideal strategy for beginners or anyone looking to create content without the pressure of being on camera. Why this approach works. 1. Engaging. Storytelling. At the heart of every successful video is a compelling story. Whether it's a historical drama, a fairy tale, or a modern-day parable, stories have the power to captivate audiences and keep them coming back for more. 2. AI-powered tools. With tools like ChatGPT for story generation, KAI for visuals, and 11 Labs for voiceovers, creating professional quality content has never been easier or more accessible. 3. Faceless content. By focusing on animated videos, you eliminate the need for expensive cameras, lighting, or on-camera presence. This lowers the barrier to entry and allows you to focus on the content itself. 4. Scalability. Once you've created a successful video, you can replicate the process to build a library of content. Consistency is key to growing your channel and increasing your earnings over time. How to replicate this success. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to replicate this success in 5 simple steps. 1. Craft a compelling story with AI. Use ChatGPT to generate engaging narratives tailored to your target audience. 2. Create stunning visuals with AI. Use tools like KAI to bring your story to life with high-quality animated visuals. 3. Add a professional voiceover. Use 11 Labs to create natural-sounding voiceovers that enhance your storytelling. 4. Edit and assemble your video. Use free tools like CapCut to combine your visuals, voiceover, and music into a polished final product. 5. Monetize and grow your channel. Optimize your videos for SEO, apply for monetization, and scale your earnings through consistent content creation. The success of the viral video mentioned earlier is not an isolated case. Many creators are leveraging AI tools to build profitable YouTube channels with minimal upfront investment. By following the steps outlined in this tutorial, you can create content that not only entertains, but also generates significant income. So, what are you waiting for? Whether you're a beginner or an experienced creator, now is the perfect time to explore the possibilities of AI-powered content creation. With the right tools, strategies, and dedication, you can turn your YouTube dreams into reality. Let's get started. Step 1. Crafting a compelling story with AI. The foundation of any great video is a compelling story. With the help of AI tools like ChatGPT, you can create engaging narratives in minutes, even if you're not a professional writer. Here's how to get started. Prompt ChatGPT for story ideas. Begin by asking ChatGPT to generate attention-grabbing, scandalous, or intriguing story titles. For example, use the prompt, "Give me attention-grabbing, scandalous, true adult love story titles from history for YouTube videos." ChatGPT will provide options like Forbidden Crowns, The Secret Love Affair of Queen Victoria, or The Scandalous Rise and Fall of Anne Boleyn. You can tailor the prompt to focus on specific themes or regions, such as American, European, African, or Caribbean stories, depending on your target audience. Refine your story. Once you've selected a title, ask ChatGPT to write a detailed, animated story for a 10-minute YouTube video. For example, write me an animated story for a 10-minute YouTube video titled The Boleyn Sisters, Henry VIII, and the Birth of Queen Elizabeth I. Ensure the narrative style is friendly and engaging. Also, provide AI prompts to generate 16 by 9 images for each scene. ChatGPT will deliver a complete story along with prompts for creating visuals, streamlining the entire process. Customize for different audiences. The beauty of AI is its versatility. If you want to create content for kids, simply tweak the prompt. For instance, write me a fun, animated story for kids about a magical adventure in outer space. This flexibility allows you to cater to various niches, from historical dramas to children's tales, ensuring your content appeals to a wide range of viewers. By leveraging ChatGPT, you can quickly generate high-quality stories without spending hours brainstorming or writing. This step not only saves time, but also ensures your videos are built on a solid foundation of engaging content. Whether you're targeting adults with dramatic historical tales or kids with whimsical adventures, AI makes storytelling accessible and efficient. Step 2. Creating visually appealing images with AI. Once you have your story, the next step is to bring it to life with visually stunning images. For this, we'll use an AI image generator like KAI, which simplifies the process of creating professional quality visuals. Here's how to do it. 1. Set up your project. Start by visiting the KAI website and creating a new project. Since YouTube videos typically use a 16:9 aspect ratio, select this option to ensure your visuals fit perfectly. Choose landscape orientation and set the width to 16 inches and the height to 9 inches. This will give you a blank canvas tailored for video content. 2. Generate images. Copy the image prompts provided by ChatGPT and paste them into the KAI prompt generator. For example, if your prompt is a bustling scene of 16th century London with the Thames River, merchant ships, and the Tower of London in the background. Paste it into KAI, select the 16:9 aspect ratio, and choose a style like photograph or illustration, depending on the look you're going for. Click Generate, and within seconds, KAI will produce a high-quality image that matches your description. 3. Download and organize. Once the image is generated, download it to your computer or device. Repeat this process for every scene in your story, ensuring you have a complete set of visuals to accompany your narrative. KAI's ability to create detailed, high-resolution images makes it an invaluable tool for producing professional-looking videos without the need for advanced design skills. Step 3. Creating a professional voiceover. With your story and visuals ready, the next step is to add a voiceover that brings your narrative to life. For this, we'll use 11 Labs, a text-to-speech tool that produces natural-sounding, human-like voices. Here's how to create a professional voiceover. 1. Prepare your script. If your ChatGPT-generated story includes image prompts, ask ChatGPT to rewrite the script with only the narrative. For example, rewrite the story with only the narrative, removing the image prompts. This will give you a clean, seamless script for your voiceover. 2. Generate the voiceover. Go to 11 Labs, paste your script, and select a voice that matches the tone of your story. For historical content, a British accent might be ideal, while a cheerful, upbeat voice could work better for kids' stories. Click Generate, and within moments, you'll have a professional quality voiceover. 3. Download the audio. Save the voiceover file to your device. While the free version of 11 Labs is great for testing, consider upgrading to the starter plan, currently $19 per month, for commercial use and access to more advanced features. By combining KAI's image generation capabilities with 11 Labs voiceover tools, you can create polished, engaging videos that captivate your audience. These tools make it easy to produce high-quality content, even if you're a beginner, and set you up for success on platforms like YouTube. Step 4. Combining visuals and voiceover. Now that you have your visuals and voiceover, it's time to bring everything together using a video editing tool like CapCut. 1. Import your assets. Open CapCut and create a new project with a 16:9 aspect ratio. Import your images and voiceover file. 2. Arrange the timeline. Drag and drop your images onto the timeline in the correct order. Align the voiceover with the corresponding visuals. Use the script from ChatGPT as a reference to ensure everything syncs perfectly. 3. Add music and effects. To enhance your video, add royalty-free music and sound effects from the YouTube audio library. Search for tracks that match the mood of your story, such as tragic or adventurous. 4. Export your video. Once everything is in place, export your video using CapCut's default settings. The free version of CapCut is more than sufficient for creating high-quality content. Step 5. Monetizing your video. With your video complete, the final step is to upload it to YouTube and optimize it for monetization. This is where your hard work starts to pay off, as you turn your creative efforts into a sustainable income stream. Here's how to maximize your earnings and grow your channel. 1. Create a YouTube channel. If you don't already have one, set up a YouTube channel. Choose a name that reflects your content niche and upload your video. Consistency is key, so aim to post at least one video per week. Regular uploads not only keep your audience engaged, but also signal to YouTube's algorithm that your channel is active, which can boost your visibility. 2. Optimize for SEO. To ensure your video reaches the right audience, use tools like vidIQ to optimize your title, description, and tags. vidIQ provides SEO-friendly suggestions, such as high-ranking keywords and trending topics, to help your video rank higher in search results. For example, if your video is about Ain, the scandalous rise and fall of Anne Boleyn, vidIQ might suggest tags like Tudor history, Henry VIII, or ye animated historical stories. A well-optimized video is more likely to attract organic traffic and grow your viewership. Apply for monetization. Once your channel meets YouTube's requirements, 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, or 500 subscribers and 3,000 watch hours for shorts, you can apply for the YouTube Partner Program. If accepted, you'll start earning revenue from ads displayed on your videos. Monetization also opens up additional income streams, such as channel memberships, super chats, and merchandise shelf integrations. Scale your earnings. To reach a goal of $10,000 per month, aim for around 34,000 daily views, assuming an average rate of $10 per 1,000 views. While this may seem ambitious, consistent content creation, audience engagement, and optimization can help you achieve this milestone over time. Focus on creating high-quality, engaging videos that resonate with your audience, and leverage analytics to refine your strategy. Turning your YouTube dreams into reality. Creating faceless, animated YouTube videos using AI tools is not only accessible, but also highly lucrative. By following these 5 steps, crafting a story with ChatGPT, generating visuals with KAI, creating a voiceover with 11 Labs, editing with CapCut, and optimizing for monetization, you can build a successful YouTube channel with minimal upfront investment. Whether you're creating historical dramas, kids' stories, or any other type of content, the key to success lies in consistency and continuous improvement. Stay committed to your niche, experiment with new ideas, and always prioritize your audience's preferences. So, what are you waiting for? Start creating today and turn your YouTube dreams into reality. With the right tools, strategies, and dedication, you can build a thriving channel that not only entertains, but also generates significant income. The journey may take time, but the rewards are well worth the effort. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and happy creating!